Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to find out your Windows 11 IP address. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, I am going to show you two or three different methods to find this. So first method is this guys. Open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and press I. This is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, in the left panel, you can get the option network and internet. As you can see, just click and open it. Okay, and here, scroll down here, you can get the option advanced network settings. Just click on it. And here guys, open hardware and connection properties like this. Here you can get the details of your internet connection, IP address, DNS server, every detail you can get. As you can see guys, from here you can easily able to find out your IP address. So this is the first method. Second method is this guys. Press Windows key button and here you need to search command prompt and open it like this, and here you need to type IP config like this. After this guys, here you can get your IP address. As you can see, so with the help of command prompt guys, you can easily able to find out the IP address. So this is the second method. Third method is this guys. You can find out your IP address online using your any web browser. So for example, I have Google Chrome browser, and in the URL box you need to type ipconfig.me, and here you can get the details of your IP address. As you can see guys, so these are the three easy and very simple method to find out the IP address on your Windows 11. I think this method also work with your Windows 10 PC. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.